Well, good morning. Friday, June 27th, 2025. It is about 8:45 in the a.m. Uh, got two people coming over today to look at the place at 10:30. So I'm getting this out of the way. Uh, well, this weekend has got my sleep schedule all gimped up. I'm not really sleeping, I'm napping at best. But that's okay. Uh, Decided to get the last wearing out of my little fish shirt here. I'm gonna miss this because it's been, I don't know how well you can see. It's yeah, fish. It's all over this thing. Eh, yeah, it's fish. It's been a shirt I've loved. I've loved this shirt, and well, this is the last wearing of it. Throwing it in the trash can when I take it off. I don't have a need to carry one that's as wore out and tore up as this one. Although this one's in better shape than some of the ones I am throwing into the uh, trash can. It's not as good a shape as the ones I am keeping by a long shot. Uh, yeah. And again, making bunches of bags of trash. Bunches of bags of trash. Uh, Ran through and got my the old CDs. Literally CDs that I had a bunch of my old records on. Part of them were for way back to the crawfish farm. Oh, God, that was for ancient. Many, many moons ago. But yeah, I've got them. I ran them through the chipper, the shredder, and got them all down. I'm carrying them. Uh, Stuff with social security numbers on it. You do not leave laying out in the yard so somebody can pick them up. So yeah, this is going to go around and hit a couple different places because, well, I guess I'm paranoid. uh, Financial information like that, bank accounts from earlier. Uh, I don't use Excel or such anymore. Those I don't use the spreadsheets and calculators online like that. They got them all built in now. All you got to do is ask for a copy to be sent to you to your account because, well, unless you hard print it, uh, yeah, it's just a digital thing online. It's it's secure. Mm-hmm. That's why we keep hearing about all these wonderful data breaches everywhere. So yeah, but anyway, it's coming. It's coming up on 9, and I need to get this in the can and get me down the road before people show up to look at my house. Cause yay! And I've been. It's kind of like with this fingernail file. Uh, I used to not really worry about it. Just clip it back and scratch it along some concrete. Keep the fangs from being too long. Now I'm actually trying to make them nicer so they ain't scratching me. because I've realized these things are like, yeah, sharp. And I'm pitching corners. Ouch. Uh, Made one back there. Dummy. Yeah, I pulled a major dummy. But that's okay. Trying to get to be a little more civilized. I don't like it. I really don't like it. But, it's apparently we're not supposed to just go around growling at people for fun. Why not? It's fun. Yeah. Anyway, growing up, being an adult, didn't say I'm good at it, but I'm getting better. Uh, and yeah, I'm running through and getting to decide, what do I keep, what do I toss. It's kind of like, right, just for giggles and turds, I have 3 sets of scissors. Now, these cheap Harbor Freight, you probably seen them before. These here, they're cheap, but these are actually decent ones. These, on the other hand, are some high dollar shit that I got because of getting points at my grocery store. And these things are good, real damn good. And I'm looking at them and trying to decide what is worth going to the Philippines. Not these two. This one I'm questioning. Probably going to end up in the Philippines because, hey, everybody needs a pair of scissors, right? And that one there is actually meat cleaver scissors. And yeah, running through here trying to figure out what all is what all. I actually lost my fingernail clippers and had to go searching for them. Found them. And while I was using them, they popped apart. And I couldn't find the little pin part. It's in here somewhere. So now I went and found a different pair that's a heavy duty or more heavy duty. And yeah, had to make sure I got that one back to where it belonged so that I don't lose it. Because quite honestly, oh my God, there's so much stuff I'm losing around here. I lost my shoes. Took me a half hour to find them. They were under a shirt I threw in they were sitting next to the basket that I've got for I'm throwing it away, trash can basket. Because I didn't feel like trying to open the bag every time I was throwing something at it. So I just set a laundry basket there and just started hitting it. Well, didn't quite hit it. It landed on top of my shoes. And then I'm running around trying to figure out where my shoes are. Yeah. So in the process of that, I found my my basket and I'm let me throw, and there they are. I've got so much stuff in so many places right now that I really have no clue where my stuff is anymore. Yeah. Welcome to getting lost in your old age. Move everything around, throw half of it in the trash can, or 3/4 of it in the trash can, and yeah. Did you accidentally throw it out? I don't know. Did you? I don't know. Did I? Yeah. I'm having fun with it. That's the point of life, right? To enjoy it. Oh. Anyway, yeah, I've got 2 people coming over today to look at it, and hopefully I'll know something this afternoon or Monday. Hopefully, definitely by Monday. Because I really do want to get this thing closed out and done. But yeah, it is what it is. And I am definitely ready for it to be over with. All this three ring circus. I almost wish I could have just grabbed new clothes, thrown it in there, and grab what little I want to take with me and go and leave everything. That'd be like leaving steak on a plate on the table. At least that's the way I'm seeing it. So I wish I had known. I don't know. I may try to get a garage sale out of it again. I may just take and invite a few people over and say, take what you want. Because literally it's at that point. I don't know. Uh, if I'll know something better by Monday for sure, but maybe by today, and I can figure out what I'm doing for the next week. Do I still have a house, or do I need to pack up and go move into the hotel? Part of me's like, yay, move to the hotel. The other part's like, oh, but I got to get all this stuff out. I need to have a garage sale. Yeah. Me, myself, and I, the three of us are not agreeing on anything. Right now, we're not even sure who is in charge of the three ring circus. I think it's the person down the road. Uh, yeah. Just saying. Uh, but it's okay. At least I can still laugh about it, right? Anyway, I hope you've had a good week. I hope this finds you enjoying the start of your weekend and getting to enjoy a lot of food, friends, and family. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. Always more food. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you? Yeah, I'm fishing. Hey, fish is out.